Hey guys, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video we got the iPhone 12. Yes guys, this is the iPhone 12. As you guys can see, it does have the all new cameras which were in the iPhone 11. As you guys can see here, we do have this iPhone 12 over there. Look at that, you know what I mean. We do have the iPhone 12 here guys. So this, you know what, let's get on to the unboxing. Beautiful box. It's just a limited edition box, that's why it's a little too big. But yeah guys, let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so as we can see, we are greeted here by designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Yeah guys, so let's open this up. So as you guys can see, beautiful. No Apple stickers is here. Yeah guys, this is the beautiful iPhone 12, you know what I mean. Got the all new color design. Apple always gets different colors every year. There's three choices here. There's white, 2.0, and there's white 3.0. This is actually the white 3.0 version. So thank you Apple for this creativity. We really do appreciate it. Yeah, as you guys can see, it does have the all new cameras, which were in the iPhone 11. Yeah, now it's fat because I'm IDKY. And yeah guys, I just hope it comes with a charger.